Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Here you see that inside Codex I am using the Ollama model. I hope you are able to see my screen that Ollama is written and how am I using it. Here you see this is the latest update that Ollama now supports Codex app. To try it, update to the latest Ollama. So for that, go to the ollama.com official website and here download the latest Ollama according to your operating system, Mac, Linux, Windows. And after that you have to run this command Ollama launch codex app, and there you need to select the model, the local model that you have installed, or they have their own cloud model. You can use anyone, like they have Kimi K2.6 and also they have Gemma 4 and also Nemotron 3 and GLM Minimax. So you can use any of them. Okay, let me show you the step-by-step process. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also please follow me on Twitter. Here you see this is the official Twitter account. Here you will get all of the latest AI notification daily. Now let's just do the step-by-step process. First of all, install the latest Ollama. This is the first step. Second step is run this command. So I will keep this command in description. You can copy that from there. And after that, let me close the existing running codex and let me close this also. Freshly open a command prompt and here let me paste it. So Ollama launch codex app. Now if I press enter, here you see it will ask you to select the model. First model, here you see Kimi K2.6, which is the great model, have the same capability like the Claude. And to use this you need to upgrade. So they have their own cloud plan. You can upgrade to that $10 and plan and use this Kimi K2.6. And also for GLM 5.1 cloud you need to upgrade, and for Coin 3.5 cloud you need to upgrade. So for Nemotron 3 Super Cloud, you don't need to upgrade. You can use it for free. And also for Gemma 431B billion parameter model, this is hosted inside their cloud. You can use it for free. But for free user, there is some limit, and you can use this model up to that limit. And another thing is that this Kimi K2.6 is the best model if you want to get the same kind of experience like the GPT and Claude. And this Gemma 431 billion cloud model is based same as the Claude Haiku. So you can actually use this combination. And let me select this Gemma 431 billion cloud currently because it is available for free user. So press enter, and now you see that it is asking me to restart codex because previously I also opened. So I will select yes. Now in front of you it will open the codex app. So here you see that it will open the codex, and another thing is that you will see this kind of Ollama icon. So let me show you. Follow my cursor. Here you see this is the Ollama icon. You will find beside this reasoning level effort, means extra high, medium, low. You can also do the setup. So if I select this as the medium and selected model Ollama is the Gemma 4, and now if I write high and press enter, and in front of you you will see that it will give you the response. Hello, I am Codex. I am here and ready to collaborate. What is on your mind today? So I am currently using the Ollama model within the Codex. And another thing is that it is not like that you have to use the cloud model. If you have any model inside your machine locally, you have downloaded, then also you can use that. Okay, so during this model selection, here you see that this is the section more. I have already downloaded this Omnicoder and also Coin 3 14 billion Claude 4.5 Opus and high reasoning. So some days ago I made this video that Coin 3 plus Claude 4.5. You can use any kind of local installed model inside Codex. Okay. So I hope that you found this video helpful, the detailed step-by-step process. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to join in our WhatsApp channel. Link is given in description.